Once you've completed your data modeling exercise, you will have determined what tables you're going to need in your FileMaker database, as well as what relationships are going to be needed between those tables. What you'll need in order to create relationships is something that could link each related table together, so that each table has to have a little hook in there that allows that connection. In relational databases, you're going to connect two related tables together using special fields defined in each table, and these fields are called keys. A key field is just like any other field that you're defining in your database, but unlike these other fields, they perform special functions. Key fields come in two different types, and each type has its own function. There's the primary key and the foreign key. And these are two more pieces of vocabulary that you're going to hear a lot in this title, so it's a good thing to understand what they are now. Let's look first at primary keys. A primary key is a field that gets defined in a table acting as the one in the one-to-many relationship, otherwise referred to as the parent table. Remember that there's always a parent table in a relationship and always a child table. Because our relationships are always going to be one-to-many, the parent is the one and the child is the many. So the rule to follow when determining which tables need a primary key field is that we need to define the primary key field in every parent table. A primary key field's main purpose is to ensure the uniqueness of each record in this table, so they must contain a unique serialized value inside every record. These records must never be duplicated within a single table, and each parent must have its own primary key field defined. Since any one relationship will be between two tables, and we already determined that there needs to be a primary key field defined in each parent, then there also needs to be a field defined in each child table so that these two related tables can be linked. The type of field defined in the child table is called a foreign key field. This is going to be used to link a child record or a record in a child table back to its parent record in the parent table. This is how we actually link the tables together or know how one record is related to any other records. The rule to remember for foreign keys is that each child table is going to have a foreign key field defined within it. However, these values do not need to be unique because any one parent could have multiple related records in a child table. Understanding the concept of keys and the roles of primary and foreign keys specifically are critical to understanding how to link your related databases together. After you understand the two types of keys, you can then move on to identifying which of your tables need a primary or a foreign key.